This song is for the female presence happening by the door.
Can I get a record being lame? Lame.
Y'all need a drink.
I'm alright.
You alright?
Yep.
You sound